Hello everyone, this is graded assignment 6. In this week, we have to develop and integrate continuous deployment script using CML for building the homework iris pipeline, API using Docker and deploying it to Kubernetes. So first, uh, as you can see over here, I've created a Docker account and with this, we have to get secret key and store it to the GitHub actions. So as you can see over here, this is my repository container. Here you can see the OS type and pull time and push time. So now I will go to my project file. So basically we have to create an API, a fast API code. So this is our web server with built with fast API. Uh, it, it loads the trained machine learning model and exposes a predict endpoint, which you can see over here to search predictions over the internet. And then we have a deployment.yaml. This is our blueprint for Kubernetes. It tells our Google Kubernetes cluster how to run our Docker container and how to expose it to the public internet with a stable IP address. And then comes our CI workflow.yaml. So this is GitHub Actions file which defines our entire CI/CD pipeline. It automates every step from building the Docker image to deploying it to Kubernetes every time we push a change to our code. And then we have a Docker file. So this file is the recipe for creating a portable Docker container. It packages our Python code, the trained model, and all the necessary libraries together so that it can run anywhere. So first I will go to my GitHub repository and show where I have stored. So in the secrets and variable, in the actions, I've stored all the necessary repository secrets which is required, which is the Docker Hub token, Docker Hub username, GCP key, and the kube config key. So again, I will go to the code tab, and this is my Kubernetes cluster dashboard. So here it shows that my cluster is healthy and it is 100% up to date. So I will go inside, and here, as you can see, all the details of my cluster, uh, all the configurations which basically I have done with the autopilot and the storage classes, observability, and logs we can see. So let's go to the code. So it gives, if we will go in the workloads, we can see that the API deployment is okay. So here we can see the external IP address of that cluster, which is the endpoint. So if we will click over here, it says, welcome to the Iris Prediction API, which we created in the Fast API. So it means that our Kubernetes is working. So let's go. Uh, I will do a small change uh, in my train.py file so that I can push it. Okay. So let's go to the terminal and create a new branch. Get checkout, new branch with feature, branch week 6. Okay. Let's name it to week 6 then. Okay. Oh, so says it's already exists. So let's name it to W6. Okay. And then I will do git add all, and then git commit and the message w6. So it tracks that one file is changed and one insertion and one deletion has happened. So let's push it. Git push origin uh, feature w6. Okay. Uh, I will have to add my password. Okay, so it is pushed. We will go, and as you can see over here, I have got a compare and pull request. So I will do this. Now I will create the pull request. Okay, but there is some conflicts. Okay, so there is one conflict. I will mark it as resolved and commit the merge. It takes a while uh, to get the merge pull request. Let's refresh it. Okay, so now we are getting merge pull request and then confirm merge. And if I will go to the actions, as you can see over here, the CD pipeline is running. So it is doing all the build and deploy. It takes around 5 to 6 minutes to complete the whole process. Let's wait. In the meantime, I will set up my Postman to test the API. Let's create a new request. And this was our API endpoint. Okay. And the method was post. And in the body as JSON, we have to pass the data. Let's copy it, paste. Okay. So now, as you can see that the merge pull request is completed and we have accomplished all the necessary requirements which was there in our continuous development pipeline. So let's go to the Postman and check our endpoint. So it is giving the output as prediction 0 and the predicted species is Setosa. So if I will do the root endpoint also, it will be get. And as you can see, the status is okay and the message is welcome to the Iris prediction API. So that's all. Thank you.